This is very nice, a very natural way of life. The people live up here and they've got all their veggies and stuff they grow. They're really well kept, lovely tended gardens. Nice purple flowers, I don't know what they are. Some kind of, maybe an iris, just guessing. Bananas there. Lots of veggies, corn, some other things there. Apparently they grow lots of flowers here, you can see they're growing. And over there in the distance, wait, I'll zoom in a little bit, is the cable car station. Where is it there? There, cable car station, that's where we came from. So we've just basically walked round the hill. And we're going to try and get the bus back into Taipei. This down here is, if you look down the bottom, I'll zoom in a bit, someone's house. Rather nice. Water storage tanks. Hey, there's Guy. He's got a nervous twitch going on. Oh dear, he's gone into one of his fits now. This happens occasionally. Yeah, here he goes. Yeah, I think soon the medication will take effect and he'll be back to normal. Oh, okay, it's kicked in. Here we go. So we're on the Hello Kitty trail, I think. And I think we're going to head to Jiangshan Temple, which is a 10-minute walk. It's really nice. It's all very well signed, very clear, very easy. Really nice. There's some big palm trees there. There's the Hello Kitty sign.